You have recorded your income and logged your expenses, but what happens when you just need to move money from your main business checking account into your savings, or pay off your business credit card? You don't want to log those moves as income or expenses, because it is just your own money shifting around. In QuickBooks, you use a transfer, so you don't accidentally inflate your profit and loss reports. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Head up to your Master Plus Create button in the top left corner of your screen. Instead of looking under the Customers or Vendors columns like we usually do, look all the way over to the right under the Other column and click on Transfer. This form is incredibly straightforward. First, click the Transfer Funds from drop-down. This is the account the money is leaving, for example, your main business checking. Next, select your Transfer Funds to Account. This is exactly where the money is landing, like your business savings account or your credit card account if you are making your monthly payment. Once your two accounts are set, type the exact dollar amount into the Transfer Amount box. Verify that the date perfectly matches the day the transfer actually cleared your real bank account. I also highly recommend dropping a quick note in the memo field, like monthly tax savings transfer or credit card payment. It takes 2 seconds, but it saves you from guessing what the transfer was for when you review your books months from now. Just like with our checks and expenses, you will see an Attachments box down in the bottom left corner. If you took a screenshot of your online bank confirmation, you can drag and drop it right here for your records. When your numbers look perfect, go to the bottom right and hit Save and Close. Your balances are updated, and the money is officially moved. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.